Hello everyone, this is my review of the Amstable small standing desk with a modern brushed finish. The height is fully adjustable between 31 and 43 inches, so I can easily switch between sitting and standing depending on my feelings. It's great for posture and keeps my back and neck from stiffening. It rolls smoothly on lockable wheels, which makes moving it around the room a breeze. Then, I can lock it in place when I'm working. Despite its compact size, it holds up to 200 pounds and doesn't wobble when typing even when I'm on my walking pad. Setup was a snap. It took me only 5 to 10 minutes to assemble and it looks clean and modern in any room. If you're looking for a space-saving, mobile, ergonomic desk that allows you to switch between sitting and standing, this Amstable model is a smart choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.